Russian President Vladimir Putin is protected from the coronavirus by special disinfection tunnels that anyone visiting his residence outside Moscow or meeting him in the Kremlin must pass through, his spokesman said. One such special tunnel, manufactured by a Russian company based in the town of Penza, has been installed at Putin's official Novo-Ogaryovo residence outside Moscow, and 2 more in the Kremlin, said Dmitry Peskov, Putin's spokesman. He said they were installed at the height of the pandemic in Russia, which authorities say is now on the wane, particularly in Moscow, where lockdown restrictions are being lifted. Some restrictions in the Kremlin remained in place, said Peskov, though many had been removed. He said precautions regarding Putin's health continued to be justified.